Hello guys. This is my first ever YouTube video. I told you guys I'll make it. Okay, you see, I'll make a few episodes. Okay, let's just start. Let's get ready. Don't mind the version. I'll get the better one soon. Oh my goodness, let's go. You said you'd watch it, and yeah, I'm posting it. I'm gonna try to beat the Ender Dragon. This might take a while. Fuck it. Oh my brother, oh yeah. Let's do this. Okay, what do we need for this puppy? Should I put my render distance a bit up? That's fine. At least I'm not so damn bummed, bro. Oh yeah. Just tell me guys if I should make another video of this. If you guys like it, I think. I don't think you'd like it, would you? It depends. Depends on you guys. Your opinion. Just like, trust me on this. I will be posting episode 2. That's if I survive. Oh, never mind. Not hardcore, so relax. Oh my goodness. I fucked up. Oh my goodness. It's not classic. It's in pocket. Guys, let me just change here for a second. Let me just... don't mind that. Don't mind anything, please. Oh shit, I need a beautiful ass, guys. It looks so beautiful, not gonna lie. Okay, let me put my FOV. Yeah, put it to the max. Now I'm ready. Let's go. Oh, shoot. Full damage is crazy. Oh my goodness. Okay, how do you pull this crafting table? I kinda... There we go. That's how you make it? Oh. Oh my goodness. I'm such a noob. The fuck is that? A witch? Damn, I thought that was my grandma. Da, 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 da. Yeah, if you guys have any kind of plan for me, I would like that. What should I post? Because I need your help. Oh, I'll be posting with a few of my friends too. So, you guys will see a few friends of mine. What you might like. How the... Damn, I almost sweat. Damn, I was really about to swear. How the heck did I mess that up? Oh, Cole? Let's go. Good start. Good start. No bed though. Keep going. Keep going. Ignore the zombies. Oh, oh my god. I'm gonna cheat so hard right now. I'm joking. Oh. Wow. What a scam. I got scammed hard. Let's do this. Oh. Okay, okay, okay. Nigga. Ah! Do you guys see what I see? I found it. I'm just echoed. Absolute cinema. I have found it. The temple. I have found the temple. Don't blame me, guys. Just that goaded. If you guys want my sister to join, I'll let her join in episode 2. Yeah, it's a surprise. I do have a sister. I know. Well, we're gonna go to the temple soon. Don't worry. I will be gaining that loot. Oh, this pickaxe useless. The stone pickaxe gotta go. It useless now. It no need for me now. It has other purpose. But what did I have to do? Yeah. Shortage of memory losses are crazy, not gonna lie. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Tell me if you guys can hear me properly in my videos. What? I'll just check it myself. I'll fix it up. Please, guys, support me in my content. I would appreciate that. I'm trying, don't judge me, I'm trying so hard now. I'll be posting, not daily, just like 2 or 3 days I'll be posting. Oh, yo, leave that here. It's not like I'm gonna get stuck, am I? Oh shit, it always has to be black. Not to be racist though. Mine straight down, mine straight down, mine straight down, mine straight down. Oh, yeah, I'm just that goated. I knew there was TNT down here. Anyone who don't know? Ooh, Gapple! Bone. Gonna find it me myself a dog. Let's check it. Oh, another Gapple. Wish there were more Gapples. Damn. What? I actually just made a good horse. Can I name it Goldie? Oh! Okay. Okay, come on, let this be a good enchanting book. Come on. You gonna check it out? 3, 2, 1. Yes! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You guys might think it's not that good. It's a big achievement. Oh, let's go. Oh, should I take that into? I think that's a yes. Let me just go get some TNT. Drag it all. There we go. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, where should I go out? Only 9 iron? Really? Wait, some iron. Am I stupid? It's literally TNT. Yo, 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 yo. Oh, did I cook myself? Oh, foliage right now would be so good. Got a little gap. I'll be searching in the plain. Ah, it's getting nighttime. Oh, oh my goodness. No other villages? Damn, nothing. Yeah, taking too long. Oh hell no. I'm out. Oh. Okay, enough gloating and let's go. Mm, I'm rich now. Oh, 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 oh. Mm. Eating some rotten flesh. Oh shoot. Oh! Don't worry guys, it's the first day. It's the first day. Relax. It's the full armor zombie. Oh, zombies in full armor. What the heck is this? What is this? What the heck? What the heck? Oh shit! Oh, oh, yeah. I died.
After this, in the second round, we get in.
Ah, where's my stuff? Ain't no way. Did I lose my stuff? Oh. Oh. Gotta make another gapple. Oh my goodness, the lag is crazy, the lag is crazy. Oh my goodness. Damn. Chill. Damn. Is that a full on golden zombie? It is. Oh hell no, not him again. Did I survive? Oh. Oh! Oh, I survived. Oh my goodness. Uh, oh, oh, oh. My leg, I got this, man. I quit. What? Just, I'll do it again, guys. Oh my goodness. I'll do this again. No. Guys, I'll do this again. Just wait, just wait. Oh my goodness, I died. I suck. I suck with my leggy. I suck. Just wait.